Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
Once upon a time, home theaters were something you only found in high-end homes and neighborhoods. But today, with big screen TVs, digital VCRs and audio, and 50-plus TV channels in most homes, more and more people are setting up home theaters. And their styles and models to meet everyone's needs, from pre-packaged all-in-one systems to custom component systems. But the choices are endless, and how do you make the right choice? Well, to help us explore the world of home theater is Mark Dubit from DB Acoustics. And Mark, let's start with the basics. What are the components that we need for a home theater?
Well, to get started with a home theater system, you would need a video source of some kind, a television or a monitor or display. In this case, we have a two-piece projector here and screen up front. So that would be the higher end scale. And then you would need the audio to go with it, which would be a receiver providing surround sound and a loudspeaker package.
Now, as I understand it, is the receiver sort of the brains of the whole system? Is that a way to put it?
Yeah, that's a good example. The receiver would be the piece that has all the signal processing and the video switching and all the routing involved. In this case, we have a digital decoder or processor, and this is the brain to this system, this component sitting here. We also have in this rack, we have a satellite receiver, a VCR, CD, we have a DVD player, and then we have amplifiers down here. Then we would have the loudspeakers as well in the room.
Now, is it the sound that truly makes the experience of a home theater?
Sound's very important to home theater. You know, you want to get back every effect that a director has put in their film. And our goal is to recreate that as best we can in an environment. So we're doing that with a number of loudspeakers in the room, a very good processor and decoding, routing the signals about the room.
Now, how about DVD players? Are there differences in DVD players?
Yes, there are. In this case, we have what's called a progressive scan DVD. The progressive scan DVD is a little higher end DVD player. Progressive scan means that it will play back in the lowest resolution of high definition. So if you're using that to its full value, you would need to have a high definition television or monitor.
Now, we've all walked into our favorite electronics store and you see that all in the one box system versus the custom components. Help us with the difference in terms of what we're looking at.
An all-in-the-box approach is a very economical way to start. Essentially a receiver with a DVD player built into it. Then you're hooking that up to your video monitor or video display, and then a small package of loudspeakers. It's a good way to start in a smaller room, smaller environment, if you're doing a master bedroom or a den or a study, you know, where you have a controlled space. In this system, it's a much more elaborate. We've designed a larger room, larger space, more people in seating. We've even got theater seating in here. So I'm using what is called a discrete system, using the separate components.
Cost, I'm sure that's a big difference in there.
Very big difference. You know, you can start at $1,000 or so in the all-in-the-one box package system. This type of a system, you know, you can go $100,000 or so.
Now, a home theater system is a huge investment. For someone starting out, what do they need to make just the basic first purchase investments?
Well, the first thing that you need, obviously, is a television or a monitor, a display piece. Then you would go to a receiver, and then you're looking for a loudspeaker package. There are essentially 5 or 6, 7 loudspeakers in the package, depending upon what you're doing.
Okay, now here on Powerhouse, Mark, we're always interested in energy efficiency. How does that play in terms of a home theater system?
Well, you can look for components that are out there on the market. Several of them have the Energy Star emblem. They'll usually be shown on the front faceplate. In this case, we have a VCR that has an Energy Star emblem on it. So we know that's helping with power consumption.
Now, Mark, we're in a beautiful home theater system here. Can we take a look at it?
Sure, let's do that.
All right, when we come back on Powerhouse, we're going to talk about the lighting for your home theater system. We'll get into the lights you need to select, where you need to put your lights, and the lighting control system. I'm ready. Watch the movie?
All right, let's go.